Hey everyone, it is Chakra Tuesday today, so let's pull a chakra card and see what the message that the universe has in store. So just focus on a question you might have or just a general message, whatever it is. Let's see what message comes through. Okay, seeing perspective, truth, knowledge, and clarity. So that's what it looks like. And so this has to do with the third eye, and third eye has to do with our intuition, our own inner knowing. A lot of times we can not listen to that inner knowing, our inner guidance system, because there's too much happening on the outside, too much noise from all around us, telling us that what we should do or what should happen, and not really listening to what feels right for us. So to hone into this is almost like an antenna for ourselves to kind of feel out and understand what it is that we need for our highest good. And to tune into that just by meditating, just by tapping into our inner knowing and getting used to that, so that we can understand or we can discern between what is our higher consciousness, our own inner guidance, and what is just ego. And if the ego has been kind of hanging around a little bit too much and kind of being the bigger player a little bit too much, it can be difficult to sift through that. But if we just practice it and we take the time to really feel out and listen and understand our inner wisdom, our intuition, then that will become stronger than the voice of the ego. And a lot of times when I'm tapping into my own intuition and sending out that signal and listening for that, or if something comes up for me and I think, okay, is this thinking? Are these just my thoughts? Is this just ego? Or is this accurate? Is this really truly my intuition? So you kind of have to feel out what that feeling is like when your intuition, your higher guidance system is getting your attention. What does that feel like? And sometimes it can be very subtle. Sometimes it can be very strong. So just work with that, play with that, play with what is the higher, in the higher knowing, the inner guidance, my own inner wisdom, and what is ego? What is it that are thoughts? What is it that I need to listen to for my highest good? So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Bye.